Childhood is this prime time where we are allowed and we're supposed to have fun. The big picture dream would be like a fully inclusive society. So it would be something like we come to a playground like this. There are 14% of children who have a disability and we see it. We see them playing together because the space allows for it. My name is Keiko Shikako. I'm an occupational therapist by background. I'm an associate professor at the School of Physique and Occupational Therapy at McGill University, and I'm a Canada Research Chair in Childhood Disability. The main focus of my research is looking into how children with disabilities participate in society. There are many factors in our daily environment, right, that are not necessarily friendly for children with autism or other conditions. This was developed based on the needs of children, of families, to find places that are inclusive, adapted for their child needs, and we'll show you the activities that are available in your region for your child condition. The closest, the most recommended, the best reviews according to other families that have used, and that's a dynamic space for families to chat. So I think it's a good time because really more and more decision makers at municipal, provincial, federal level are coming and consulting and like, what do we know about this? How can we make cities accessible? How can we think of healthcare services that are accessible, that respond to the needs of people for real? And it's for that's where research can be instrumental. It's a space where conversations really happen. The quality of science is amazing, and the quality of implementation and translation and application is also equally amazing, and I think that's very unique.